In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the fill, style, and color of a shape in Draw.io. First, open your web browser and head to Draw.io, also known as diagrams.net. When the editor loads, you can open an existing diagram or create a new blank one. Either way works. The important thing is that you're on the canvas and ready to edit. If a template picker appears, choose any layout that suits your needs, or just start blank to keep things simple. Click the shape or object you want to style. You'll know it's selected when you see small blue handles around it. On the right side, the Format panel should be visible. This is where we'll make all the changes. If it looks collapsed, expand it so you can see the Style section clearly. Within Style, find the Fill option. If the Fill checkbox isn't already on, click it to enable the fill for your selected object. Turning fill off leaves the interior transparent, which can be useful for overlays, but we'll keep it on for solid coloring. Next, choose the fill type. Right beside fill, you'll see options like auto, solid, dots, and more. Auto uses your diagram's theme, which is great if you want consistent colors across the entire file without thinking too hard. Solid gives you a single, clean color, perfect for flowcharts, mind maps, and process blocks. Dots and other patterns add texture that can help distinguish categories without relying solely on color, especially useful for printouts or colorblind-friendly designs. If you see options like gradients, those can add subtle depth but keep readability in mind. To change the color, click the color swatch next to Fill. A palette opens where you can pick from preset colors, define a custom shade, or reuse recently used colors to keep your design consistent. If you need an exact match, you can input a hex value for precise branding. There's also a transparency slider. Lowering opacity can help when you want the shape to be present but not overpowering, like behind annotations or icons. Take a moment to check contrast. If there's text inside the shape, make sure it stays readable. Adjust the text color from the text section if needed. If the border is getting lost against your fill, tweak the stroke color in the Style panel so the outline remains clear. If fill appears disabled for a particular object, it may be an image. Shapes support fills, while images rely on their original pixels. When you're satisfied, click on the canvas to preview your changes. If you want to apply the same look to multiple shapes, select them together and update the fill once to style them all in one go. That's all there is to it. Go to Draw.io, select your object, enable fill, pick the style, choose your color, and you're done.